Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today I am going to show you how to create bulk YouTube shorts without Canva. So first we just have to go to this website, thecreatomate.com. And when you go to this website, you'll be asked to log in. So you just have to sign up or log into your account. Now that you're here, you just have to click on the templates option. So you just have to click on the new option at the top right of your screen and then select the template that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one and then click on the create template. Now click on the use template and click on this spreadsheet to video. So before that, you have to go to ChatGPT, and now that you are in ChatGPT, you can write your particular things like top 10 fruits rich in vitamin C in Excel form. So you could be able to see this one. So you just have to copy this section and go to Excel. Now you just have to paste it here. And after that, you will then just have to click on the file button at the top left corner of your screen and then click on save as, then select the location of your file. Okay, now you just have to select the type of your file, so make sure to select the CSV and then click on save button, and right after that you just have to go back to Creatimate and click on spreadsheet video and then click on continue. Now you just have to import the data, so just click on import data and then click on or browse for files. So this is the one that we have saved, so just click on open, and then for the guava just select the text one and the number is text 2. Now click on continue and then click on continue and then import data. Now all of the data has been imported. Now I will show you the demonstration how it looks. So you just have to make sure that all of the information that you have pasted on Excel is all correct, so you'd be able to have the correct information or format of the template. Now just click on the create render below the video. After rendering, you can easily download that particular folder from here. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.